5 plus 10 divided by 2 in parentheses 5 minus 1 equal to how much? In order to the correct answer of this expression, we have to follow the order of operation PEMDAS. Okay, then we have to first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, multiplication, division, and finally addition and subtraction. Okay, so in this expression there is one addition here, one division, there is a parenthesis, inside the parenthesis there is one subtraction. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, this parenthesis has higher priority. We have to do it first. Inside the parenthesis 5 minus 1, which equal to 4. Then here 5 plus 10 divided by 2, then times 4. Okay, so in this expression there is one addition, one division, and one multiplication. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. So here this division has higher priority, 10 divided by 2, which equals 5. Then here 5 plus 5 times 4. In this expression there is one addition, one multiplication. Therefore this multiplication has higher priority than this addition, because multiplication comes before addition according to this PEMDAS. 5 times 4, which equal to 20. Then 5 plus 20 is just 25. This is the correct answer of this problem. Okay, the correct answer of this problem equals to 25.